AI, AI, AI. So, hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video about artificial intelligence today. Artificial intelligence, known as AI, is one of the most trending stuff going on right now in the tech industry. So, today in this video, we will dive into certain career paths and field of study, and we'll see how AI has actually been impacting the landscape. The way we work has changed dramatically in the past few decades, and AI is playing a big role in this transformation. In the past, most office jobs involved sitting at a desk and doing repetitive manual tasks. But with the advent of AI, many of these tasks can now be automated. AI-powered software can handle tasks like scheduling, data entry, and even basic customer service. This means that workers can focus on more creative, strategic tasks. AI is having a big impact on the field of medicine. It's being used to analyze medical images, diagnose diseases, and even predict patient outcomes. AI is helping to make healthcare more efficient and accurate, and it's even saving lives. AI is only going to become more accurate and advanced in the future, and its impact on medicine is sure to be huge. AI is also being used to create powerful new tools like code completion and code generation, which can help programmers work faster and more efficiently. And AI-powered chatbots like ChatGPT are making it easier than ever. AI is actually transforming virtual reality. AI is making virtual reality more immersive, realistic, and interactive than ever before. AI is being used to create virtual worlds that are so realistic you'll feel like you're really there. It's even being used to create virtual avatars that look and act like real people. The Internet of Things is becoming more and more useful in our everyday lives, and AI is playing a big role in making it more effective and efficient. Agriculture is a sector that has been transformed by the adoption of IoT, known as the Internet of Things technology, and AI has played a big role in making this possible. IoT sensors can be used to collect data on factors like soil quality, weather conditions, and crop health. And AI can actually analyze this data to make predictions about crop yields. So yeah guys, that was just a short brief concise introduction about how AI is actually changing the landscape. So that's it all for now. See you guys next time.